Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the serpentine belt on Citroen Berlingo 1.6i petrol. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise in order to loosen the belt. This is the tensioner right there. We need to turn the tensioner clockwise, and to do that we're going to use a wrench size 15. This is the wrench that I'm going to use. I'm going to turn the tensioner clockwise all the way, and then I'm going to insert this pin to hold the tensioner still to be able to remove the belt. So now I'm going to turn the tensioner clockwise all the way, and I'm going to install the pin. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the pin installed. Now I'm going to remove my wrench and I'll show you a closer view of it. Look at where I installed the pin, and it's holding the tensioner in place. And now the belt is loose and I can remove it. And that's the serpentine belt out. Next I'll show you the routing of the serpentine belt. Next I'm going to put the belt back on. I'm going to put it around all the pulleys. When I put the belt around all the pulleys, then I'm going to get my wrench and turn the tensioner clockwise so that I can remove the pin, and then I'm going to release the tensioner. Here you can see the serpentine belt is around all the pulleys, so now I'm going to get my wrench and turn the tensioner clockwise to remove the pin, and then I'm going to release the tensioner. And that's how you replace the serpentine belt on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.